Good morning, student. Chapter number 12. Chapter name exponent and power. What is exponent? If we can write a raised to power m, a is the base and m is the exponent. This is the exponent. And this is the base. For example, 10 raised to power 2, 10 is the base and 2 is the exponent. Some laws of exponent. Law of exponent. First law, if a raised to power m multiply a raised to power n, if base is same, then power add a raised to power m plus n. For example, 2 raised to power 2 multiply 2 raised to power 3 is that 2 raised to power 2 plus 3 is that 2 raised to power 5. And second law of exponent, a raised to power m divide a raised to power n. If base is same, then power exponent is subtract a raised to power m minus n. For example, 3 raised to power 5 divide 3 raised to power 2 is that 3 raised to power 5 minus 2. We can write 3 raised to power 3. 5 minus 2, 3. And third, exponent law, a raised to power m multiply b raised to power m. In this case, the exponent is same. When exponent is same, AB means a multiply b raised to power m. For example, 3 power 2 multiply 2 power 2 is that 3 into 2 की whole power is 2. And fourth law of exponent, a raised to power m divided by b raised to power m is that a upon b whole raised to power m. And fifth, if any raised to power is 0, then value is 1. If we can 100 power 0, so its value is 1. And in this class, 8th class, if power is negative, a raised to power minus m, we can write 1 upon a raised to power m. A raised to power m. If any power is negative, a raised to power minus n, तो we can 1 upon a upon n. अगर किसी की पावर नेगेटिव है तो उसे हम 1 के अपॉन में लिखने से पावर क्या हो जाती है, हमारी पॉजिटिव हो जाती है. a raised to power m minus m divided by b raised to power minus m. We can write a upon b raised to power minus m. In this case, if we reciprocal, numerator change to denominator and denominator change to numerator, that power will be changed in positive. b upon a raised to power m and power becomes positive. Thanks.